Thank you, Dr. Hadalkar, and good morning to everyone. Rahul has given a perspective of sustainability, what overall sustainability is, and then Mr. Itter has given that what are the problem and how we should be solving all these things. I don't have all that thing, what are the problem and all these things, but I will give some fact and figures. What we are doing in this sustainability in Indian market, we being the Indian retailer, what we are doing here to address all these issues. Overview of our group, we are part of Aditya Birla Group. Aditya Birla is a global conglomerate with clear focus on each business. Our mission is to deliver superior value to our customers, shareholder, employee and society at large. It is actually that CSR and environmental thing is built in our mission itself. Our value is integrity, commitment, passion, seamless and speed. Highlight of the group, we are part of 40 million conglomerate. We are fast growing Indian conglomerate. Will be 65 billion in 2015. We are part, our three company is part of Fortune 500. We have 1,36,000 employee. Our 50% companies across 6 continental and 36 country. Almost 60% revenue of our group come from outside India. We are voted best employer in India by Havit and Wall Street Journal. We have ranked 4th in global top companies for leaders. Just 2 months back, we have been ranked first among 40 corporate in India for best in class corporate. We have our own corporate university called Ganodaya, which is in Navi Mumbai. Our strong focus is on that social responsibility, which is on healthcare, education, and sustainable livelihood. Our group manages 42 schools, 18 hospitals. We work approximate 2,600 villages, reaching out to 7 million people for empowerment. This is our group presence, where we are in the different part of world. These are the business vertical which we have. We are in fashion and lifestyle, food and grocery, telecom, acrylic fiber, agriculture, information technology, financial service, pulp and fiber, chemical business, metal, mining, cement, insulator, trading and carbon black. A few of our business is globally number one. We are number one producer of viscous staple fiber. We are largest, even at par with that Lansing. We are number one in carbon black. We are largest aluminium rolling company. We are 4th largest producer of carbon black and insulator. We are 5th largest producer of acrylic fiber. We are among the top 10 cement manufacturing company. In India, the business which I represent is Madura Lifestyle. We are number one retailer in India. We are among the top 3 supermarket chain, which is our hypermarket chain called More. We are among top 4 mobile telecom, Idea everyone might be knowing. We are among top 2 cement company, Ultratech, leading player in life insurance and asset management. About the Madura, we are pioneer in branded apparel revolution. We are here for last 22 years. We are number one player in branded apparel market. We are the one who has created first luxury multi-brand lifestyle retail collective. In Palladium Mall, we have very big store collective, where it is that it's not only product, it is luxury experience for all that customer service it can be. We own top 5 premier apparel brand in country. Our current revenue is 675 million, and we are growing very fast, approximate 30-35% CAGR we are growing. We intend to be $1.5 billion in next 3 to 4 years. We have largest retail footprint. We have our own EBO 1000 plus other touch point and MBO and LFR. We have almost 3000 store in India. We have a lot of understanding of what is the consumer requirement and all these things in apparel retail, especially for Indian market. Some McLeod, we are the most admired apparel company. Every year we get that apparel admired company award from Image. We are most admired fashion concept of the area, Collective, which I already mentioned. It is service and experience for various product and categories. Our manufacturing wing, which is Mathura Clothing, they are the first company in India to win this RBNQ award. Our brand Peter England is rated as the best #1 apparel brand in India. We are among the 40 innovators by Apparel Magazine, and latest we won that Golden Peacock Quality Award for our brand. These are the brand portfolio we have. Starting from luxury, which is Collective, and then we have premium, Louis Philippe, Vanos and Allen Solly, blend fashion, and then mid-market and value segment, we have Peter England and Cupid. Louis Philippe is the first brand which we launched in India in 1989 we launched, and we have 142 stores, 60 cities and 24 state we cover. We started with Louis Philippe as a main brand, and later on we extended it to LP Sport we call, which is more for young consumer, and we have that higher range in that called luxury. Latest we have extended it to footwear and bag also. We operate in all category. Louis Philippe is primarily in men's category. Van Heusen we launch after Louis Philippe we launch in 90 Van Heusen. We have 189 stores, 79 cities, 24 states. We have again sub-brand like VH Sports, VH Women's and VDOT. We are in all category, men's and women's for Van Heusen. Allen Solly we launched in 93. We have 147 stores, 71 cities and 23. We just launched one sub-brand of that, Allen Solly Kids or Junior. Again, we have all that category in men's and women's. Peter England is in that particular mid-market segment. This is the brand where always we have that highest brand equity. This was launched in 1997. We have 555 stores, 270 cities and 25 states. And our team keep claiming that every 3 seconds we sell one Peter England shirt in India. We have sub-brand in that called Elite, which is high-end in that, and PE Jeans is the new sub-brand which we have launched 2 years back. Again, we are in all category, shirt, trouser, denim, t-shirt, suit, blazer, accessories and bags. Pupil is the one brand which we have launched almost 3 years back, and this is value segment, 4 years, 2009 launch. We have 54 stores, 31 city and 15 states. Category men's, women's, kid and accessories. This is basically family store. Planet Fashion is our multi-brand outlet where we keep all our brand plus some other brand. Collective is the collection of all that international brand where we keep all that Armani, Hugo Boss, Michael Kors, D&G, True Religion, and so. We have 5 stores, and this is the largest store for any retailer. We have 25,000 square feet in a single location, where you have apparel, accessories, MTM and all these things. Sustainability, everyone take different understanding and meaning of sustainability. Rahul has already given what sustainability overview of that, and then Mr. Ritter has told a lot of problem about India, what problem we have. I don't have answer to all that problem, but something which we do, I'll just, our group quietly do think we don't never create Allah Gulla and all these things. We keep doing that. I'll just share what we are doing in sustainability. We have taken three pillars of sustainability. We take economy, environment and society. Why we take all these things? Because I have seen extreme of that sustainability. Sometimes people take it environment too much and there is no profit. So if economy is not there, then there is no balancing of. You need to have balancing of all these three. One of the German brand I have seen in Bangalore, they have beautiful store and all that environment and everything is, even light also they have that little light. It is kind of only three light they will use, but there is no consumer inside. And last 1 year, I don't know how much they have sold in that. So it need to have that viability for all that thing. As a retailer, for us important thing is that how we develop and market product which are sustainable. And we keep doing that, the product which are high on that sustainability quotient, different brand